Here we go. Just a oh, titty close up. Oh, hi. Oh my God! Look how beautiful. Hi. Oh, look at that smile. Hi, everyone. Oh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, what is this shit? What does this do? Some some spray we have here that probably cost $350. Yep, some pointless shit that just did nothing. And what? Oh, another spray bottle. So what are we up to? $790 for these two little sprays. And here we go. Yep. Lovely. Breathe it in. Breathe it in. Yes. And what is this from Tarte? Some goop. Some yes. Oh, yep. Lovely. Some goop, white jizz like goop. Yes, yep, that's definitely jizz in a jar. And we're going to put it all over our face now. Yes, moisturize it in. I'm thinking about something and never mind. Never mind. Yes, we pout the lips. We pout the lips as we do this. Yes, accentuate the smile. It's wonderful. Now what have we here? Oh yes, this actually looks like some tan in a bottle, tan of some sort. Oh, we're so excited about it though. We're really excited, and we're going to squeeze some on our hand. I didn't know that that went on the hand, but we're going to rub it in. I assume. Oh, what was that? A butt plug? And oh, squish on the butt plug on the face, and we're oh, yes. How much was that butt plug from the adult store? Probably $79 at the adult store, and we're going to squidge it all in. This is a very, very versatile item. You can use it as makeup or up the bum. It's excellent. It's an excellent tool. Yeah, so we're going to just keep rubbing this in. Rub it in, rub it, dab. Oh, I don't like this though. Oh no. Okay. So one side is good, one side is bad. Sorry. We're going to keep rubbing it in. Do the same on the other side. Yes, still work on that side though. Oh yes, back to the other side. And down the chest and the neck. And on the eyeballs. Yes, excellent work. Excellent work. Yes. Oh, what in the fuck is going on? And we will continue. Oh, yes, the Fonzie. Everybody like the Fonz? Give the little Oh, okay, we're straight into this lip smacker of some sort, and we smile into the camera because we are just absolutely gorgeous. And oh, someone was behind me that I had no idea about, and now we're continuing on. Yes, open the eyes as wide as we can and rub some more shit under the eyes. Yes, I have a feeling this gets away the black lines underneath the eyes if you have any. Oh, yes. And down the forehead, we're starting to look like one of the avatars. We are now an avatar. This is completely face painting now. This is complete bullshit. And what have we got here next? Yes, let me see. Some lipstick. I thought lipstick went on the lips. It turns out it does not. It goes on the cheeks. It goes on the cheeks, and we're happy about it. And now we're looking more and more like an avatar. And yes, put some on the nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, or brown nose in this case. And continue on with the face painting. And you know what? Children could do this. Children could literally do this. Oh yes, striker pose, their love. And butt plug is back in action. Oh, this is a very versatile item. You switch it around and you blend it all in. This is an amazing tool. Keep blending. Oh, it's hot. It is so hot in this room. Like, it's unbelievably hot. But we're gonna keep going because we are strong women. Strong women put makeup on. Yes, keep it moving. Keep moving. I think it is quite time consuming. Butt plugs are very useful though. And we are going to blend under the chin. Yes, we still have. Oh, there we go. There we are. Where we're rubbing in the cheeks. I don't know what is going on. We like smacking the butt plug on the cheek. I think that gives a nice effect. I think it really does. And we continue on, and here we go. Lovely, lovely. Oh, yes. Give us a smile, love. You are absolutely stunning, you know. Oh, what is this? Pony, and we're going to do a little cross of the hands. That was a nice little move. Okay, here we are. Oh, I see, I see. And this is for the eyebrows. Oh, lovely, lovely. Brush them as much as you can. I don't know how much you can brush an eyebrow. Oh, what is this? The tool has changed. We are coloring in the eyebrow now. We are coloring it in. You know what? This is so deceptive. A woman can change her face dramatically. Ta-da! Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, yes. And do the eye movements. Okay, that's enough. Bananas. A banana brush. It is a banana brush, and we're going to pat into the, oh, this must mean it's a banana flavored brush. I think you may be able to taste some, and it tastes like banana. I think that's how they justify the $350 price of that small little package. Yes, sweep it in. And I have no idea what that just did. You look exactly the same. What is this now? This is, oh, we're brushing the nose slightly. And yet again, that did absolutely fuck all. We continue, yes, continue. You know, I really do think that all of this shit does nothing. And you are, oh yes, the lips, nothing is happening again. Nothing at all. Yes, oh yeah. Okay, we're super sexy right now. We are super, oh, and give it a kiss. Yes. Oh yes. Wonderful. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I'm a sassy bitch. And now I'm a sassy bitch right now. And now I'm being really sassy, and I feel like, is there music going on right now? Probably not. I'm just dancing to the beat of my drum. Oh my god, it's hot though. It's so hot. Why is it so hot? And here we are again with some more. Yep. Okay, now we're just doing a slight brush. Just brushing the face. You know, half the time I feel like I do this just because it feels good. It just feels good on the face. And we just pretend like it's doing something. Oh no! What has it done? Oh dear. Oh, I'm not happy with. Oh, I'm back. No, I am happy. Let's continue. Let's continue. Oh yes, and it's almost moisturizing. I think it feels very therapeutic makeup. That's the reason why most women do it. It's not for any other reason other than to completely change their face so you look nothing like you did before. Completely new human. So let's continue. Ooh, this one looks very pretty. A lot of colors. Oh, okay, we're changing faces. Happy, and now we're sad. Happy and sad. Oh, still happy, or kind of crazy. So what have we got here? Oh, yes, and there's a mirror on this. Wonderful. Oh my god. Oh, okay, we're posing as if someone's taking photographs. Here we go. What do we have here? We're choosing a little white powder, the same color as our skin, so it does absolutely nothing and nobody can see it. Very, very good use of color there. Not. And what do we have here? Yes, dab that in, dab it in. Just dab it in. Dab. Oh, it is bringing out some color, a little bit of color. Your eyes are popping a little bit more slightly. They're just a little, almost as if someone gave you a black eye. Oh my god, how funny. God, that was funny. Now we're doing under the eye to accentuate the black eye that a weird wife beater gave her. Oh no! Oh yes! Oh zombie! That's zombie land. That was code. So she did recognize she looked like a zombie. At least she knows. She knows that what she's done is hideous. Completely hideous. Now we have a unicorn brush, unicorn horn. Oh yeah. Oh yes. We like to dance while we apply makeup. We're dancers. We're a dancer. Oh yes. Fancy that. You do look rather nice. So what else have we got here? Oh, another box of colours. Here we go. We're sure about this one. Oh my God, that's getting awfully close to the eyeball. How do women do this? This is absurd. And we're hardly in the image. I don't know how stupid you can be. Put your face in the camera. And there we go. Eyelashes look a lot darker and more full. I believe that is the purpose of this. Full lashes. Wonderful. Oh my God, it's so hot. I'm sweating. Oh wait, I'm still beautiful though. Look how beautiful I am. Oh my God, I'm showing off my ring now. Oh, fuck this. Um, oh, what is this? This is we're trying to read it, better than sex. What kind of nonsense is this? Who names what it is? She just said it is. Did everybody witness that? I beg to differ. I beg to differ. Oh yes, here we go. What are you looking at? Ah, is somebody behind you? What is going on? Is somebody? Oh, and we actually have problems in the brain. I believe we are booking you into the hospital. You absolute maniac. Oh, we're happy with that. Oh, we're so happy. Yes. Oh, and we're a blowfish of some sort. Oh yes, left, right, up, down, and we are loving life. And we had some imaginary Hawaiian music once again. Wow, we've really loved strawberries. A strawberry packet. Strawberry makeup brush. Here we go. And we're going for, oh yes, here we are. Strawberry kisses. And we're going for the hot pink strawberry. And let us put us on our cheeks. I have no idea what's this. Oh, here we go. That was ridiculous. What is going on? We really do have some problems, don't we? Brush it on, and light off. Light slowly back on. And very bright light. And slowly back to the exact same fluorescent as it was before. That was fucking pointless. And let's continue on. Let's smile. Oh, we're very beautiful. And I think that was just to see what it would look like. Pineapples! And now for a pineapple flavored brush. Here we go. On the temples. Pineapples on the temples. And under the eyelids, eyebrows, sorry. Um, this, I don't know, this looks completely pointless. And oh yeah, oh yes, oh my God, what is that? Was orgasmic and straight into the camera. That looks like it did absolutely nothing. That was fucking pointless. Oh, what is that? That is a dildo brush. What? And why is it going down the cleavage? What is going on? Oh, this is what the hell? Oh, this is very hard to open. Oh, here we go. A brown, and it smells divine. What is it? Oh my! What just happened? And the dildo brush. This seems absurd. Why is the brush so large? And why are you enjoying it so much? It's absurd. What is happening? And I've just disappeared for some very absurd reason. What are you doing down there? What in the world? Okay, it's just a smaller. It's a pencil. It looks like a pencil that you color your lips in with. That's exactly what it is, and we go cross-eyed from it. Going on with the pencil. Oh God, I'm hot. God damn it, I'm so hot. Oh Jesus. Oh my God, I can hold a pencil with my teeth in the most sexy way possible. Oh, lip gloss. We love lip gloss. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, we love lip gloss so much that we're on a runway. We're posing on a runway, and here we are. Oh, lovely. Lovely. This really glosses up the lips. Stunning. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh! Oh. Okay, we like... Oh, we love that. We love that sound. It's one of our favorite sounds. And one moment. One moment here. Oh! Some more useless spray. It's a fantastic spray. And on the face, we just, oh no, and we smell the spray. We smell it. Oh, we love the spray, and we're very, very dramatic when we spray our faces. That's the only way we know how. Okay, some more. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. And yep, square head, square head, square head move. Square head move to the imaginary music. Once again, we are Egyptian, Indian of some sort. And oh yes, oh my goodness. Oh lovely. Oh yes, we like showing off the ring, don't we? Uh, oh, side profile, up, down, up, down, up, down on the other side profile. And a kiss to you all. A really nice kiss. Oh, we'll fix up the angle of the diamond so we can all see. Oh yes, oh yeah, yes, rock star. I am a rock star. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and like this video. Click the bell button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you here again next time. Bye guys!